Hey everyone, and welcome to Manchester Airport, and welcome to the T3 multi-story. We're here to catch a Ryanair flight to Billund in Denmark, so the first thing we've got to do is go into the terminal building and go through passport control. So we want level 3. We made it through security. We found a nice, reasonably quiet place to sit down. Got a view of the runway just behind me there. We're going to sit around for about half an hour because our flight's not for at least another 2 hours. Then we'll walk around for a bit more and get ourselves a drink. We have got ourselves some water for the flight and we're all set. Hopefully we should be boarding soon, but it has said there's about a 15-minute delay. Hopefully that won't extend out any further, but we still haven't got a gate yet. And it's about an hour to go before we should be taking off. So we've come up to the second level here in Terminal 2 in Manchester Airport. Lots of people don't actually know this place exists. It's really quiet. When it's busy downstairs, there's always plenty of seating up here. So it's got a great view of the runway, which you can see there behind me. We should be here for about another maybe half an hour before we get our gates, and then we'll head over to our flight then. Fingers crossed there's no more delays other than that, just 15 minutes, but we'll see soon. So we've got our gate now, it's gate number 54, so hopefully it'll only be a few minutes walk to get there. We made it to the gate and there's not that many people here at the moment, so fingers crossed it's going to be a relatively empty flight. And there's Holly. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's Matthew watching the planes going. So I don't think I've actually said what we're actually doing out there. We're actually going to be going to Legoland Billund tomorrow. So it's just a weekend trip. So today's Saturday. The flight is at 6:30, well 6:45 now. We're going to get into Billund and stay into the hotel just right next to the airport. And then tomorrow we're going to spend all day in Legoland Billund and due to fly back to Manchester tomorrow night at about 11:15. So tomorrow's going to be a really long day. But hopefully it's going to be a really fun day as well. Everybody's departing the plane now, so hopefully it shouldn't be too long. So we've taken off. It was a pretty smooth takeoff. Captain's come on the tannoy to announce that we're going to be about an hour and 15-minute flight, which is a bit shorter than expected. I thought it was going to be about an hour and 25. It's really sunny outside. Probably going to be getting dark shortly because Denmark is an hour ahead of us, of course. So we're just going to sit back and relax and enjoy the flight. So I just wanted to show you what the seats are like here on this Ryanair flight to Billund. We're flying on a Boeing 737. Like every Ryanair flight, we don't actually have netting on the seat down there to store your things in. I guess it's so people don't leave their rubbish in there. But there's quite a lot of leg room. You know, it's a bit dark at the moment, but you can easily fit your hand down there. Especially for the kids, Matthew and Holly, there's lots of room for them. Holly can lean back and still have loads of room down by there. Matthew's got loads of room. Chairs are comfortable, obviously they don't recline back, but that's what you expect from Ryanair. Altogether, so far, it's been an okay flight.
We're about to get our descent down into Billund. We should be landing in approximately 30 minutes. The weather in Billund is very nice. New clouds, 17 degrees and very light winds from the north. Thank you very much for flying with Ryanair, and we hope to see you on board soon. Thank you.
So we've arrived at Billund. It was a really short flight, really smooth, except the landing. He really came in heavy on that one. Really hit the ground really hard, made a hell of a noise. Anyway, we're at Billund Airport now. We're going to go through immigration and then we're going to go to our hotel. Our hotel is actually in the airport. It's called Billund Airport Hotel. It's just across the car park and it's probably about a 2-minute walk after we leave the building. So I've actually been to Billund Airport twice before. I used to come here with work to have some meetings. I used to just stay actually in the airport. There's some meeting rooms up there just for some meetings, and I've never ever left the airport before. So this is the first time actually stepping my foot outside Billund Airport. So now we've got to find our hotel, the Billund Airport Hotel, and I believe it's probably over this way. So let's have a look if we can find it. And there's our hotel. I don't know if you can see it in the distance. The Billund Airport Hotel. Should be about a 2-minute walk. So that was a really smooth check-in. I don't think I've actually seen this before, but the key cards for the rooms are actually made out of wood. Very environmentally friendly. So we're room 221. So let's go and see what the room's like, shall we? Okay, this is our room. It's room 221 at the Billund Airport Hotel. So it's quite small, but it's also a reasonable price. I can't remember what I paid for it now, but I'll put how much it is down below. So you come in, this is the family room. So there's a bunk bed above a very small double bed. We were expecting that to be a bit bigger than it is, but it is what it is. So Holly has bagsied the top bunk today, haven't you? So this is it. It's quite a small room. You've got a long desk area going all the way along there. The view, probably can't see it because night time is of the airport. And if you look there, there's the actual runway where I'll do some shots of that tomorrow morning. You can actually see it a bit better. We've got a TV on the wall. We've got a hairdryer. There's a wardrobe area by there with some coat hangers on. And then in the bathroom, we've got a sink there, a toilet there, and it's a stand-up shower in a wet room. So there's no bathroom, there's no separate shower cubicle. It's a wet room, so directly onto the bathroom floor there the shower goes. Some soap there, one towel there, some more body wash and shampoo there, a couple of toilet rolls. I did see more towels over here by there, so we've got some more towels there to use when we have a shower later. And there's Holly on top of the bunk bed, which she's claimed already, and I think she's not going to come down. But she does need to come down because we're going to go down and get some dinner in a minute. So are you coming down? So that's a quick tour of room 221 at the Billund Airport Hotel. This is a bit unusual, but the window fully open, so you can get a much better view now of the airport and where we are to it. So look, there's the runway and there's all the planes just waiting probably to fly out somewhere tomorrow or even later tonight. But yeah, very unusual. The window opens completely. I haven't seen that on a hotel in years. Anyway, we're going to head down and get some dinner. I think Holly's already fancying some pizza and me and Matthew are probably going to have the burgers. It's a very small menu, but we'll be there. Heading down now. So we've just ordered our dinner. Holly's going to have a pepperoni pizza and me and Matthew are going to have burger and fries. We've just got tap water for a drink and that came to 457 Danish kroner, which works out about £52. So quite a lot just for some pizza and some burger, but hopefully it should taste nice. Fingers crossed. We ordered our food at the reception desk, but I just noticed here we've got a QR code so you can scan that and order directly from the table so you don't have to wait if there's people checking in at the same time. So here's Holly's pepperoni pizza. There's Matthew's burger and fries, which he's already digging into as we speak. And there's a closer look. I've got the same, so I've got the burger and fries as well. Ollie can't quite finish her pizza, so of course I've got to help her out. So we've just come outside. There's a little terrace just outside the restaurant. You probably can't see because it's dark, but basically it just backs on to the airport. You can see all the planes there. They're just right there. Can't see it, but I'm assuming there's a big fence there somewhere to stop people getting on there. And I think we're going to go back inside. As I said earlier, this bed is a bit too small for me and Matthew. So I've had a look, and there is a mattress underneath. It just hasn't been made up yet. So I'll pull this out, and I'm going to pop down to reception and ask if we can have another mattress and a sheet just to make up the bed, because this bed is a lot smaller than standard double. I think definitely have to make up this bed. I think we're going to end this video here. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. It's really appreciated. If you're new here, my name is Mark, along with my son Matthew, daughter Holly. We make travel and theme park videos from around the world, and stay tuned because in the next episode we'll be visiting Legoland Billund. And all that's left to say now is Holly with a special message.
If you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Bye.
Bye.